Hello everyone and welcome back to Lady Fire's Kitchen. I have another recipe for you, and this is called Thai chicken coconut curry. So you are going to really enjoy this one. It's low calorie, no cholesterol, so very low cholesterol. So it actually is a healthy recipe, but it tastes like a regular recipe that it's comfort food. So it's comfort food mask, but it is really a great healthy recipe. So without further ado, I'm going to tell you about the ingredients that we're going to need for this recipe. And we are going to need 2 to 3 tablespoons of, right over here is the coconut oil. Actually it is coconut oil. As soon as I heat it up, it will be that. We're going to be needing 1 medium large sweet or yellow onion, diced small. We're going to need 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast into bite sizes. So you're going to cut it into bite sizes. We're going to need some garlic right over here, 3 cloves of the garlic. We are going to need ginger, 2 to 3 teaspoons of ground ginger. Actually, this is fresh. 2 teaspoons of coriander right over here. We're going to go to our coconut milk. This is 1 can of 13 ounces coconut milk. Okay, so after that, we're going to be needing some carrots right here. Some wonderful carrots are very healthy for you. So 1.5 cups shredded carrots. Then we're going to need Thai red curry paste, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and actually I added some of the pepper right in there altogether. 3 cups of spinach leaves, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, 1 to 2 teaspoons brown sugar right here, and fresh cilantro. That's for just to kind of give it the last touch for this wonderful recipe. And with that said, we are going to get to cooking. Let's go. Okay, so right now we're going to add our coconut oil. And this is going to be cooked on medium high for, actually when you add the onions, that's going to be cooked for about 5 minutes. So we're just going to wait until the coconut oil melts. Okay guys, so our coconut oil has melted, so we're going to add our onion. And we're going to cook it for about 5 minutes. Okay guys, so 5 minutes have elapsed. We're going to add our chicken, okay? And we're going to cook our chicken for about 5 minutes also, okay? Medium high still. Guys, so I reduce a little bit the heat. And I'm going to make a little bit of a hole right here in the center so I can put my spices there. So I'm going to put my garlic. Remember that we don't want to burn that garlic. Okay, so we have to cook it, but take it easy with it. Not too much heat, because if it browns, it gets dark, and if it burns, it doesn't taste great. We're also going to add our ginger. This is fresh ginger. You can use powder if you want to. I prefer fresh ginger. I'll take natural and fresh ingredients over anything else. Okay, here goes our coriander. We give that a little stir. And we're just going to cook it for about a minute, all right? And we'll be right back. All right, so 1 minute has elapsed, so I'm going to move everything around. And with that, I'm going to add some other ingredients. The aroma is very delicious. I love that ginger and garlic together. So let's just add our coconut milk. Remember, it's 1 can of coconut milk. In it goes. Let's mix that up too. Okay, let's raise the temperature just a little bit, medium high, so it can start boiling a little bit. And with that, I'm going to add all our carrots. And mix that. Okay, so we're going to add our red curry. And mix it. Okay, now we're going to add our salt and pepper. I'm going to lower the temperature to medium high. And we're going to cook this for about 5 minutes or so. The sauce is going to start thickening. Okay, so about 5 minutes or so. We'll be right back. All right, so look at the thickness, and the color is just beautiful. So we keep on doing this. We're going to add, of course, our spinach. It's going to give it a little bit of color and just a little bit more healthy, right? Just incorporate the spinach to that. Oh my goodness, beautiful, beautiful. And you guys, you can eat this with naan bread, or my favorite is actually jasmine coconut rice. Oh, that combination is amazing. Okay, and then we're going to also add the lemon. Put it all in. And we're going to add a little bit of brown sugar, 2 teaspoons. In it goes. Going to mix it up, and we're just going to wait a few more minutes because it's almost done, guys. Make sure you taste and ensure that if you like it a little bit more salty, you can add a little bit more. If you like a little bit more sugar, you can also add a little bit if you would like. But to me, I already tasted this, and it tastes perfect, at least for me. Ah, so gorgeous, beautiful. This is the consistency that you would like. Still have some sauce there. It's completely cooked and ready to serve. Okay guys, the only thing that is left is to put a little bit of our freshly chopped cilantro on top. It adds a little bit of extra flavor to this recipe. And I wanted to also let you know that if you subscribe to Lady Fire's Kitchen, you won't miss my next recipe that is coming the following week. All right, so, and you also put your notifications so you can know when my recipe is coming out. Until then, thank you so much for spending this time with me, Lady Fire, and I hope you enjoy my recipe. Enjoy.